HP Reverb Virtual Reality Headset G2. Maybe it's not the greatest and latest device, but that's the top. I think that's the top. Still cool. On one day, is it going to be better than Oculus second one, which I have. I have the review somewhere on here. Well, probably put a link in the description. Oh, and the end of this video. Hey. Wow. HP black box. Oh, so it's a box in a box. Okay. It's cool. Okay. There it is. Smells like pitch. Nice. Nice. Have a nice logo on the front. It's bear in mind that wasn't a sound effect. This is a really sharp knife. Sealed. Damn. Oh wow. Wow, the presentation is really good. I love it. Okay. Oh, look at that. There's something here. Probably a manual. It smells fantastic. Yeah, it's a manual. We won't use it. Let's put it back there. Okay. There must be something. What's this? Controls. You probably won't see it. I don't have a cameraman, just me. Okay, let's take the controls. Nice. And then. All right, so that's it for this box. What are the accessories? That's the question. Accessories. What the hell is that? Okay, batteries. You get AA batteries. KTS batteries. Never seen those. KTS. We won't use them. I have IQ envelopes, which are better. A lot of cables. What is that? Jesus. Dongle, which we definitely need. Let me cut it. Okay, we need that dongle. Oh, we don't. It's the USB Type C from A to C. We probably don't need it. Doesn't matter. Just anyway. Oh, there's also a this is a display port to Lightning. Okay. So all kinds of different action. What's this? What is that? HDMI, mini HDMI. To display port. Oh, then there's a lot of cables in here. And USB Type C. Huh. Let me just unscrew it. The cable is long. Really long. There's something here. What is that? I don't know what is that. Let me know in the comment below. Let me just change the angles. Bam! Now pause the video if you want to read it. There's also a power brick. 45 watts. Okay. And of course, power cable. Wow. Why do I need that much cables? Oh wow. So this is one end, and this is another end. How do I connect that? Connect this? I don't know. My English is not that great, but we'll probably have to read the manual. Let's unbox those. Let me do it one angle again. Let's unbox those controls. Are they sealed? No, that's good. Okay, some kind of plastic on them. Why do I need that round thing? Anyway, that's the second one. Okay. Is there any markings? Which one is left and which one is right? Probably like this. Because yeah, I don't know. There's no markings here. Left or right? Wait. Do it like this. I don't know. Strange. Anyway, headset. Headset itself. There it is. Ah, it smells nice. Look at it. Ooh. HP. I like the film. Let me change that. Let me change the lens. Look at it. Look at the film. Nice. I know the mic is in here. Let me just bring the mic down. Unplug the mic. Now let's take the plastic off. Okay. Satisfaction. Big satisfaction. Alright. This is movable. Probably speakers. I mean, yeah. Also movable. Okay, this is all. You can. Okay, you can change the size in here. That's pretty good because in Oculus that thing was inside, which was kind of in a bad position. This is better. This is rubber for the nose. Yeah, basically it. Let me insert batteries. Like I said, I have envelope fantastic batteries. This one, and you just put it down, and that's. I prefer batteries like that instead of IQ, like this is better. You can easily remove the battery and put another one, and you will have like instant 100% what happened there. Okay, that's good. That is good. So now we need to connect it to. Now we need to connect this beautiful, fantastic device to our PC.
start.
Alex?
I love it. Now the question is it better than Oculus 2? It's basically the same price now, at least in my country. Well, let me address the cons. Well, build quality. It looks fragile, and it is quite fragile. This is all thin plastic. If you hit a wall, I don't think this will survive. But it has removable battery, way better. You can swap those battery in a matter of seconds and be full charged. Also the hinge, the mounting mechanism, or whatever you want to call it, it's a good idea, but this is all fragile. I think it could break very easy. Sound-wise, it's good, but is it fantastic? Well, if you want to compare to the Oculus, I think Oculus 2 is a bit better sound-wise and has built-in speakers. This is also like fragile, but settings are outside, not inside, like in the Oculus. This is better. And of course, if you want to clean it, it's also better design. Better design. This is all magnetic. Very easy to remove and then clean it. It's so easy. It's a fantastic design. Of course, it has a cable. It's not wireless, so cable is a bit annoying, but cable is quite long. I don't know how many meters, probably 5 or something like that. But it's quite long, maybe even more. I think 5. But the most important thing, which is visual, which is video quality. Look, this is all bent. Look, this is bent. Jesus, did I broke it already? I don't know if you're able to see it. Look at this speaker and this one. Video quality is the most important. This is way better than Oculus 2. Oculus 2, with the Oculus you need to be exactly at the center, exactly. This is like more forgettable. My English is not that great. But you don't have to be exactly at the point. Well, you kinda, but it's sharper, cleaner, and looks better, just better. Well, if you wanted to rank it when 1 is completely trash and 10 is insanely fabulous, Oculus 2 will get like 4, and this is 6. So visual, it's a completely different story. But software-wise, Oculus is like more supported everywhere. Well, the support for the Oculus is of course way better, and with the HP it's a little bit tricky to get the same results. It's not that easy like iPhone versus Android. Android is more complicated than iPhone. Well, than iOS. And I think that's all I have. It's a fantastic kit. If I wanted to buy the VR headset now at this price range, I would probably get this one, yeah, because the image quality, of course, is what we need. But it's still very fragile. You have to be very careful with this one. That's all I have. And I like the sponges. It's a good design. Let's hope the software-wise it will get better, because now it's Facebook is dominating the space. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.